I'm going to be explaining the Hawaiian roller coaster dance. The materials that will be needed are 4 cones for boundaries, the music player, and the Hawaiian hand clap song, and possibly hula skirts and leis. So the teacher is going to have a big enough space in the classroom or outside to perform the dance. Depending on the size of the class, the teacher will give the students numbers from 1 to 12. There will be repeats. The first group will be instructed to line up at the spot where they will practice. They will hold up their number. The second group will find their matching number and sit next to the students who will become his or her partner. The purpose of this is to make sure that all students feel included and no one feels left out or anything that could cause them to feel negatively. Students will be told that they will practice individually first and then with a partner without music. Then they will try it with a partner while the music is playing. The teacher will demonstrate first for all the students, then the teacher will ask the class to repeat the moves. So I'm going to go through each step and we're going to watch this YouTube video. It's going to move very quickly, so I will do my best to stay on top of it with the video. So let's get started. Step 1. So the music is starting. I know you can't hear it, but now they're bouncing their knees. So while bouncing your knees a little bit, slap your thighs 2 times. Count out loud. So let's watch. 1, 2. With palms facing down, you will cross your hands in front of your right over left, left over right 2 times. Clap your hands 2 times. Clap your knuckles 2 times. Repeat 4 times for a total of 32 counts. So we're going to watch them do this. Clapping. And now they're turning. So you will slap your thigh 1 time and clap your hands 1 time for 16 counts. This is the last step, and you'll do the same 16 counts as in part 2 while slowly spinning in a circle as you just saw. The time we'll practice with a partner. Repeat all steps. When you have to clap your hands, you will actually be clapping hands with your partner, as you can see in this video. Bump knuckles and spin with your partner while slapping thighs and clapping hands. At this point, we will be practicing. I'm going to turn the sound on so you can hear how it sounds. I'm going to start it from the beginning just so you can get another idea.
Here we go. And bounce. 1, 2, 3.
See how she's counting out loud? This is what we would want our students to do.
Ready? Here we go. Knuckles, knuckles. Cross, cross. Knuckles, knuckles. If you can bounce, that's great. Knuckles, knuckles. Last time.
Okay, really quickly, then we'll see them work with their partners. And then that is the goal
5, 6,
and what we were trying to teach the students.
1, 2,
See how they're turning? And it doesn't matter if one of the kids is falling behind. As you can see, this child's a little bit slower. And he's just sticking with it and having fun.